Okay, so I'm testing out this new camera called the Insta360 GO S. I believe I've got it in black version. So this is what it looks like when it's pointing down towards me. So yeah, looks beautiful. I'm just looking around. But yeah, I'm gonna turn it up, and then it's at the minute it's on my like the beanie cover, so you get to see my lovely nose. I don't know how this is gonna go, but at the minute it's on the beanie cover, so it should look around how I look around. And I don't know how. See, you can see kind of how it looks like in the frame here. So this is good to have near you, so then you can see if you're in the shot or not. But like I say, I'm on my beanie walking around. This is what I want to do in Japan as well, because I'm going to Japan in September. So this is going to be like a video on the Insta360 GO 3S, I believe it's called. Is there a cat in here? No cats. I was looking for the cats, see if there's any cats. But yeah, I'm testing it down the garden because why not? And then you can just literally put this in your pocket and put it away. And then obviously, now the only downside with this camera, now it's small and the battery life is like literally 32 minutes 4K footage. But then if you put it in this as well, you can use this as a charging thing, and you can get extra charge as well. But I don't know, I kind of just want to see what it looks like, see how it works. And you can, I've got the pendant as well, the magnetic penguin pendant. I should have brought it out. I might do that next time. But I'm also testing the microphone quality. I don't know if the microphone sounds any good. I don't even know if you can hear me, so hopefully you can. But if not, I'll be able to use my microphone for my DJI Pocket 3. I'm taking my Pocket 3 and this to Japan. Maybe this, like I said, I've got 30 days if I want to return it. My dad's doing a good job on the pond there, I'm not gonna lie. I don't even know if it's in frame. I need to see if it's in frame. Yeah, it's in frame. But yeah, I like the on the hat thing. But like I say, I know this is a random video on my channel, but I just wanted to check if it was all right. And also, you can take the whole thing off, like the magnetic thing, and then have it like this, and then you can literally magnetic it to anything. So I don't even know if I'm in the frame right now, but I can check. Yep, I'm in the frame, and then sorted, and it just tells me if I'm in the frame or not. Just like simple. It's that simple, and it's connecting to my face and everything. So yeah, anything that's magnetic it can connect to. The only problem is that I don't like about it is I think you can change, because if I tilt it like that, it will go to vertical. But yeah, because I'm tilting the camera, I want it to stay like this. I think you can probably lock it like this, but then I don't know. But yeah, like I say, the camera is tiny. I don't know how I'm meant to show it. Like, I can't really show you the camera. But if you search, actually I will be able to show it. I'll take a picture, I'll put it on screen, this edit the video. I don't even know what this video is going to be called. It's just a random video because I wanted to test it. But yeah, honestly, from the view, the viewfinder, it might look a bit choppy, just because, I don't know if I can see it in frame, there you go. Just because apparently on the preview on the screen it's compressed, so it doesn't look like it's 4K footage. But once you get the files, I'm hoping once you get the files of this and put it on the PC or phone, you will see it in 4K. Now that's what I'm hoping. Will it? I have no idea. Now, how do I stop recording? The button's there, right? But I want a feature where you can press it and then you can click it again to record, so it's like a pause button. I don't know if this is on here, but also I know you can do it on here as well. So let me try it. Let me just click this on screen, and then I don't know if there's a feature on here. I don't know. Is there a button on here? Okay, note to self, there is a button on there. So yeah, you have to click it. It's literally right near the flashing thing, like literally there, like here where my finger is. So yeah, it works out well. So that is pretty good. I'm happy about that. But it's just so tiny. Like, I wish you could see what I've got it on right now. It's literally on like a old milk jug thing that's like metal. It's that good, honestly. And the magnets are quite strong. Now, I'm still getting used to a lot of things. I've literally got it today. It was meant to come on, so I got it from Amazon because there was Amazon Prime deal. I got it for 200 and something, which is quite good. It's got 128 gigabytes of storage, I think, or 124. But like I say, so far I'm enjoying it. I've only had it for a few minutes, half an hour or an hour, and I'm testing it. Looks all right. Obviously not on the preview, but I need to check on the files. And the only thing, that's not metal. I thought that was metal. I literally thought this chair was metal. That is not metal. Okay. The only thing that I'm worried about is obviously the battery life. If I haven't got it on my headgear or my pendant, I'm walking around either Japan or walking around doing a vlog. Yeah, I'm gonna have to bring a battery pack, which I know you can get a battery pack for this. I know that, but I don't know. I like it because I can preview it. I don't have to get my phone out. It's a little box thing. And if I want to put it back in the box, like so, it's still recording and it's got a flippy screen. So then I can see that I'm doing a vlog. And it's got a bigger battery when I'm doing it like this, which the form factor is pretty cool. I don't know, I kind of like it, I'm not gonna lie. I just love it that I can click the button here and pull it off and boom, you're on my headgear. Simple. It's pretty obviously snazzy to me. I don't know, maybe some people don't like because of the battery life, but I could do things that I can't normally do with the Pocket 3. Now, don't get me wrong, the Pocket 3 will still be my main camera when I'm going to Japan, but this is going to help a lot with different scenarios. I believe so anyway, because I don't know, I could do a picture, make sure it's set up with all of us, and then boom, take a picture. There's going to be things where I can do with it where I can't do with the Pocket 3. But then again, like I say, I'm going to take them both. I think the Pocket 3 with the Insta360 GO 3S, that's what it's called, it's on here. I think he's going to help a lot. But I don't know, it depends how this video goes as well. I need to learn how to grab this thing because it's hard to grab, man. I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of crazy to grab. But yeah, there you go. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I say, like, subscribe, do all the social media stuff and whatever, and I will be having more vlogs out. I promise you I will eventually when I get around to it. But yeah, so far this is with the headgear and obviously just testing some stuff with the I need to remember the name, Insta360 GO 3S. Also, I'm not sponsored. I bought this myself with my own pennies. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy. See you next time. Have a good one.